Beauty International School presents.
Welcome to the KS909 facial plasma device tutorial video, where we'll walk you through the process of using this advanced device for skin tag, mole, and freckles removal. Please note that this demonstration is not a formal training. If you're an esthetician, ensure you have the necessary training before performing this procedure on clients. First, let's talk about the interface of the device. We have the start button that powers the machine and the auto manual button to change the setting, and the volume buttons that adjust the volume. We also have an output level screen to indicate a level. It's like a little window into the power settings, so you'll always know exactly what level you're working with. Moving on, let's talk about operation modes. In manual mode, the power to the needle is initiated using the foot pedal. So why choose manual, you ask? Well, it's all about control. With manual mode, you're in the driver's seat, triggering every power output with the press of the pedal. This actually minimizes the risk of accidents and ensures a more precise procedure. Now, let's chat about power levels. We've got a range from 1 to 10, with 10 being the highest. Adjusting the output level is a breeze. Just use those volume buttons. The level you choose largely depends on your client's skin condition. You can start from a lower level, like level 3, and test on a client and see if the client's comfortable with it. And if it's too strong, decrease. Too weak, increase. Now here's a golden rule. Never ever share needles between clients. Hygiene is very important. Each client gets their own needle, and there's no exception. You shouldn't be sanitizing and reusing the needle, because there's only one needle per client. To change or install the needle, simply unscrew the cap of the handpiece. The device comes with a variety of needles designed for different areas of the skin, ensuring you have the perfect tool for every treatment. And remember, always use alcohol to disinfect the area that is going to be treated.